Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You don't know how glad I am every time you stop by and watch one of my videos. If you're new here, I want to ask you to do one tiny little thing. In Nigeria, we call it one chinkily thing. I want you to look down at that red button that says subscribe. I want you to click it. Have you done it? Okay, correct people. So today's video is going to show you how I did my mini braids, and if you stay till the end, you will see some bloopers with my kids. At this point, it'll be nice if you give me a thumbs up just for the effort, just for trying to do this whole mini braids and filming the look. Well, yeah, so I started with, should we say 1/3 already done or half already done. If you've been watching loads of my videos, you would be able to tell by now that I always use the LCO method to moisturize my hair before I do any style on my hair. So my L is always the liquid, which is what you saw me spray. That spray is a DIY mix, and I'm just going to put the ingredients up here. Yeah, so my liquid base spritz raises my cuticles, which would allow the moisture which I'm going to be infusing into the hair strands. So I use the leave-in conditioner. My conditioner is from Mafrodisiac. I'm going to be linking all the products into the description box below. So you can see how I ensure that the leave-in conditioner goes through all the strands. And this leave-in conditioner consists of some Chinese herbs and some Ayurvedic herbs as well. I'm going to be sharing my Ayurvedic journey with you soon in another video. But yeah, I'll tell you all about these herbs. I concentrate on my ends as well because that's the oldest part of the hair. Oh, did you see that? I literally sprayed that oil in the wrong direction. It went on my screen. So yeah, when I'm putting the oil, I concentrate on my scalp, the open parts of my scalp. I rub it. I shouldn't really be rubbing it that hard, but well, I did it. I should kind of massage it in. So that's the butter. Also from the same range, Mafrodisiac. That is mainly to seal in all the moisture. So I use liquid, cream, oil and butter. This is because I'm doing a long-term protective style. So I want to make sure that the strands are well hydrated and the moisture is sealed into them. Now I begin combing. So see how I'm holding the ends of the hair to ensure that I'm not pulling the hair unnecessarily and creating tension to my scalp. I did not stretch my hair with any threading or blow drying or anything. I literally just put them in twists, and that's why it's quite tangled per se, especially at the roots. See what is happening to my edges. My edges are falling out. This is another video. I have actually started working on them. I can't believe my edges are actually falling. I don't understand it. So, you know I like precision. I always use my rat tail comb, and literally the rat tail comb gives me defined, precise lines, which I'm a sucker for. When I was in the back, you know what, I was in it in the dark, no mirror, I was watching Netflix, so I didn't care. But when I'm showing you, I can't afford to just do it anyhow. I mean, especially because I'm looking at a mirror now, it kind of has to be done properly. That's just how I am. But you know what? Don't beat yourself if you can't do straight lines. It's mini braids after all. It's going to be all together, together. The English is hard. Yeah. Don't worry too much about how precise the lines are. This is just because of my OCD. I'm going to cut the line. You can see I'm just trying to make everything straight, like I'm doing box braids, but it doesn't really matter. When you're doing mini braids, you just want to make sure that you're cutting a decent amount of hair. Don't make it too tiny because you don't want to lose, put too much tension on a small piece of hair, and then obviously takedown process could be difficult. See, I'm using that tiny comb. Don't know what to say about that, but I needed to loosen those kinks right at the bottom. I did that quite carefully though. Didn't lose any hair. So that's it. See, when you do the mini braids, you're literally doing a French plait. You see the French plait and you see the Dutch plait. Sometimes, depending on what position I am, I do the Dutch. I'm just giving you that as an example, but literally I'm plaiting inwards because I want the hair to fall onto my face. So I'm just plaiting the hair inwards. It's just a 3-strand plait, nothing fancy about it. But just watch what I'm going to do. I think I was a little bit crazy here. I felt like my ends were too thin. So literally I twist about 2 inches down. About 2 inches. And then that remaining hair, I said I'll trim it off. I don't know what I was thinking, but yeah, I did trim that hair off. That is crazy. Just watch what is going to happen. Oh Lord. Ooh, see the length. Okay, what did I do there? But never mind. It's hair, it will grow back. So they say, isn't it? Yeah, I'm not pleased. But that's alright. Okay, so I just carry on doing the 3-strand plait. And I'm plaiting inwards. So you plait the direction you want the hair to fall. Alright, so that's it. Yeah, I got it. So plait the hair in the direction you want the hair to fall. So if you want the hair to fall forward, because I want it to fall forward, I was braiding the hair forward, inwards, like a French plait. But if I want it to go backwards, I'll do it like a Dutch plait. And then it will go the other direction. Yeah, so in Nigeria we called it Calabar. This is what we call Calabar. But these days, you know, it's all fancy now. Mini braids. Alright, mini braids. Yeah, there's not much to this hairstyle. The only thing that I know you need, I should have said this at the beginning, you need patience and determination, because it took me 4 whole days to do this hair. It was during the lockdown, the bank holiday weekend, and I literally just did a little bit at a time. The day after doing this video, trust me, it took me another date before I was able to finish it. See how long it actually takes to do each one. It takes quite some time, but it's up to you. When you do this hair, the truth is the style can last for up to 6 weeks at a time if you manage it properly. So obviously you have to wash your hair maybe every 2 weeks when you're in this style, but ensure that you're spritzing your scalp, moisturizing your hair, keeping it hydrated at all times, and then obviously washing your scalp and hair maybe every 2 weeks. And there's a lady on Instagram, I'm actually following her journey. Yeah, it's not looking bad. At this point, you might want to just, you know, go back if you haven't given me a thumbs up and give me a thumbs up, at least for trying. A for the effort. Just give me that. So it doesn't look bad, it looks quite nice actually. My hair is fine strands and I would say medium to low density, so I don't have a lot of hair, but you know what, I'm gonna work with what I have. So like I told you about my Ayurvedic journey, this is not a video about Ayurveda, but I might as well just say it's supposed to help you promote thicker strands, reduce hair fall, and then maybe I'm just hoping that I might have a slightly different, you know, head of hair. But you know, if you don't try, you'll never know. So I'm going to try and then I'll see where it goes, where it takes me. So look out for my next video or my next few videos where I'm going to talk about my Ayurvedic journey. Ayurveda is quite overwhelming, but I've been doing my research, observing other people's journeys and just researching into the different herbs and stuff. And yeah, I think I'm ready to go on this journey. All right. If you've gotten to this point, Comment down below. Would you ever do this hairstyle? Just tell me. I would like to know. Yeah, so I always twist it. Twist it makes the takedown process quicker. So yeah. Let's do the Nigerian magic. Yay. It's all done now, isn't it? Look at my edges. Trust me, this video was a realization. I actually did not know how bad they were. And to be honest, I don't know why they look like that. But you know what? A fine girl is always a fine girl. Enjoy this. Enjoy this for now. A fine girl is always a fine girl.
Hi guys, welcome to the video. My hair, mommy. Put on my hair.
You gotta love these kids. Look at me trying to get the angles right, and these kids are doing peekaboo. I love them anyway. They are just my heart. Well, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.